This is a 6-pack of 5-watt MR16 LED bulbs. I was sent a review from Maylaywood, so let me show you a closer look. These are non-dimmable MR16 LED bulbs with a GU5.3 bi-pin base. Each bulb produces 450 lumens in 2700K warm white light, a 50-watt halogen equivalent. They also come in 3000K soft white and 5000K daylight white, so pick out the vibe you're going for. They'll give off a 45-degree beam angle, meaning they're great for outdoor landscape spotlights and indoor track lights. Just make sure your sockets are meant to take the MR16 bi-pin bulb. I love that it comes in a 6-pack, so you can take care of all the spotlights in one room or just have them ready to go as needed to be replaced. Here are the details about the bulb. It does say to note, if the working voltage is 100 to 240 voltage, then a transformer for 12 volts is needed because these have an input voltage of 12 volts and a power of 5 watts with a lifespan of approximately 25,000 hours.